Hi, it's John and welcome once again to Jam Life Sydney. It's Tech Talk time again. And today we're going to put the internal mic of the ZV-1 up against 3 different external mics from Rode. If you're new here, please subscribe, we really appreciate the support. If you like the video and it helps you out, please give us a big thumbs up. And ring the bell so that you can be notified when we upload more great tech and adventure videos. So how will the internal mic perform against these external mics? We're going to show you up next. So what we're going to do is go outside now and put the internal mic up against these 3 mics. The Rode NTG, the Rode Video Micro and the Rode Wireless Go. And I'll be using the mic's various wind protections or dead cats if you will, because it's a really windy and rainy old day out there, which should give all these mics a really good test. Okay guys, firstly we're going to test out the internal mic on the camera with the camera facing me. So the mic is facing me. So test 1, 2, 3, test 1, 2, 3, internal mic facing me 1, 2, 3. Okay, next thing we're going to do is internal mic again with the camera facing away from me. So the mic also is facing away from me. So test 1, 2, 3, test 1, 2, 3, internal mic facing away from me. Okay, so back again guys, and this is the first of our external mics and it's the Rode Video Micro. So camera facing me with Rode Video Micro, check 1, 2, 3, check 1, 2, 3, check 1, 2, 3. So here's the Rode Video Micro with the camera facing away from me, but the microphone facing towards me. And here's the beauty of having an external mic. You can turn it around and face it towards you. So check 1, 2, 3, check 1, 2, 3, Rode Video Micro, check 1, 2, 3. So now we're on to the second of our external mics, and this is the Rode NTG. Rode NTG facing me with camera facing me, check 1, 2, 3, check 1, 2, 3. So now same again with the Rode NTG, external microphone facing towards me, camera facing away, check 1, 2, 3, check 1, 2, 3. Rode NTG mic, check 1, 2, 3. And this is the last of our external mics. It's the great Rode Wireless Go. And I haven't got a lapel attached, it's just the unit itself, the receiver itself I should say. So check 1, 2, 3, camera facing me, check 1, 2, 3, Rode Wireless Go, check 1, 2, 3. And this is the Rode Wireless Go with the camera facing away from me. So Rode Wireless Go, check 1, 2, 3, Rode Wireless Go, check 1, 2, 3. Well, what did you guys think of that? It certainly opened my eyes a little. So the internal mic didn't do too badly when facing me, but is very directional, and when it was facing away from me, yes, the background noise, particularly the wind, did pick up and my voice fell away. The Rode Video Micro did quite well. There was a little background noise, but you can see why everyone loves it. Very compact, unpowered, and yet does a pretty good job. So then the NTG, it's a good mic, isn't it? Background noise was there, but very faint, and really picked up my voice very well. And because the mic is powered, you can turn the preamp on the camera down and turn the mic up, giving you a stronger signal with a lot less background noise. The only downside to the mic is you have to keep it charged, but it should go all day off the one charge for you. and also the size. It seems a little large for this camera. And lastly, the Wireless Go. This had the least background noise and is very compact and also wireless. So the camera can be quite a distance away from you and you will still be able to hear yourself very well. This is now a bit of an industry standard for vloggers and you can see why. Awesome setup and the compact size really suits the ZV-1 camera. So my first take on all of this is to always take an external mic when out and about with the ZV-1. And if you're in a place with a lot of noise and your voice seems to be drowned out, maybe use the Rode Wireless Go. But if you want to hear the ambience of the background, maybe it's the Rode Micro. Those choices I will leave to you with your ZV-1. And that's all we have for you today. Please don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, and give us a big thumbs up if we helped you out. I'll leave links to all the mics tested here in the description down below. And we will see you real soon for more Jam Life tech and adventure videos. Catch you guys later.
Yeah.